if Nitish Kumar ji is not mentally sound, then he does not even deserve to be a representative that you can easily pull the veil of a woman. It doesn't matter.
Priyanka Bharti, even though this has become political, and mind you, Mr. Satya Prakash Mishra, when it had happened with Ashok Gehlot, we had ran multiple shows. Should Ghungat be there? No. Should women cover their face? Personally, I don't think so. I don't agree with it. But should they be allowed to do it? Definitely. Because that's what they want to do. Whoever chooses to. Priyanka Bharti, one second, sir. Your 2 minutes begin now. It's not the first time it's happened. You had the likes of Ashok Gehlot who've done it earlier. So much ado about nothing. He just meant well is the argument.
Two wrongs cannot make one thing right. And today, Preeti ji, I will speak out of my constitutional duty. It's not just because I have differences, political or ideological differences with Mr. Kumar. It's morality to speak against what happened. This incident is a blot on democracy. In any democratic country, authority must kneel before dignity. Power must kneel before consent and dignity. And this at least he has to understand. We have two scenarios. If the first scenario, if Nitish Kumar ji is not mentally sound, then he does not even deserve to be a representative constitutionally. And on the other hand, if he is mentally sound and he has done so, whatever he did, pulling out the veil of a woman, then actions must be taken against him. And not only this, I mean, just come to the basics. If any leader violates boundaries, even casually, what message is he imparting to the society? What message is he giving to any bureaucrat sitting in the office, to a policeman on the street, to any man in this country? What message is he giving? That you can easily pull the veil of a woman, it doesn't matter. Fatherly gesture hai, it doesn't matter. This kind of attitude cannot be tolerated. Dignity of a woman is non-negotiable. Either be in Bihar or be in India or in the world. This he has to understand, and this is not for the first time that it's happening. There have been multiple episodes which we have seen, and making the things even worse. If I don't know you got the opportunity to hear the video of Sanjay Nishad or not. Sanjay Nishad is saying, आदमी ही तो है, नकाब छू लिया तो क्या हुआ, कहीं और छू देते तो पता नहीं आप लोग क्या कर देते. So this is the sheer audacity of this hyper masculine behavior, this sexism, this misogyny. I don't know what to say more about this incident. This has to be criticized, and Mr. Kumar has to apologize at least to the women community, not only to the women, to the citizens of this country. He has to apologize for his behavior, because you see,
okay,